Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, where we stopped in the last class? Yes, we completed our 7th chapter. Okay, today we are going to discuss about our 8th chapter, pronouns. Pronouns. I think all of you studied about pronouns in the last year. That's very good. Then what is pronoun? Yes, okay. We can discuss this chapter. What is pronoun? Okay. Then first all of you take page number 24. Page number 24. Page number 24. Read this paragraph. Read this paragraph. Look at all of you. Look at the paragraph. Priya has a dog. Priya takes Priya's dog for a walk daily. Then Priya feeds the dog. The dog wags its tail whenever the dog sees Priya. Okay. Any mistake in this paragraph? Can you see any mistake in this paragraph? Priya has a dog. Priya takes Priya's dog for a walk daily. Then Priya feeds the dog. Then the dog wags its tail whenever the dog sees Priya. Okay, now all of you listen. The sentence in this paragraph read, straight as the nouns Priya and dog are repeated several times. Okay, in this paragraph, Priya and dog, the words repeated several times. Okay, now read this paragraph. Under that, all of you listen. The paragraph is rewrite. Priya has a dog. She takes it for a walk daily. Then she feeds it. The dog wags its tail whenever it sees Priya. Okay. Then the second paragraph, instead of Priya and dog, instead of Priya and dog, we use pronouns. Priya has a dog. She takes it for a walk daily. Then she feeds it. The dog wags tail whenever it sees Priya. This paragraph reads smoother than the first as the words she and it replace the nouns Priya and dog in most places. She and it are pronouns. Okay, here telling that this paragraph reads smoother than first paragraph because we replaced Priya and dog. Priya and dog, she and it. She and it എന്ന് മാറ്റി എഴുതില്ലേ പ്രിയയ്ക്കും ഡോഗിന് പകരമായിട്ട് ഏത് പ്രോനൗൺ ഉപയോഗിച്ചു ഷീ ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്. Priya and dog, in most places she and it are pronouns. Okay, a pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Okay, a pronoun is words that used in a place of noun. Okay, instead of noun, repeated nouns. Instead of repeated nouns, we use pronoun. Okay, repeated ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന nounsന് പകരം നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതാണ് എന്ത് pronoun. Okay, in this paragraph we use it and she, the two pronouns. Okay, then here let's learn about two kinds of pronouns in this chapter, personal and possessive. Okay, in this chapter we discussing two types of pronouns, which are the personal and the possessive. Okay, first we are going to discuss the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Okay, now we can check what is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are pronouns that we use to refer a person, a place, an animal or a thing. They are of two types. A personal pronouns that we use to refer a person. Personal pronouns that means refer a person or a person അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്ലേസിനെയോ ആനിമൽസിനെയോ തിങ്സിനെയോ പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കാം? ഇറ്റ്സ് എ പേഴ്സണൽ pronouns. Okay, there are two types. Then personal pronouns are two types. Which are they? One that does the action in a sentence and the other that receives the action in a sentence. Okay, personal pronouns. What does it mean? Personal pronoun. Personal pronouns means we use to refer person. ഒരു പേഴ്സണെ പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് അല്ലേ? പേഴ്സൺ, പ്ലേസ് ഓർ തിങ്സ്, ആനിമൽ പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് പേഴ്സണൽ പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. ദെൻ പേഴ്സണൽ പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ആർ ടു ടൈപ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, വൺ ഈസ് ഡസ്. വൺ ദാറ്റ് ഡസ് ദ ആക്ഷൻ ഇൻ എ സെൻറ്റൻസ്. സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ ആരാണോ ആക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, അതായത് ആരാണോ പ്രവർത്തി ചെയ്യുന്നത്, അതും പേഴ്സണൽ പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈപ്പാണ്. ദെൻ ആൻഡ് ദ അതർ ദാറ്റ് റിസീവ് ദ ആക്ഷൻ ഇൻ എ സെൻറ്റൻസ്. ആ ആക്ഷനിൽ ആരാണോ റിസീവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ആ ആക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആരാണോ, ഒരു ആക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആരാണോ, അതാണ് എന്ത് ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈപ്പ്. ദെൻ സെക്കൻഡ് ടൈപ്പ്, ദെൻ ഹൂ ഈസ് ദ റിസീവർ. ഓക്കെ, റിസീവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആരാണോ ആക്ഷൻ റിസീവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, അതാണ് സെക്കൻഡ് ടൈപ്പ്. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ആർ ദ two type of personal pronouns. Here personal pronouns are pronouns that we use to refer to a person in a place, an animal or a thing. They are of two types. One that does the action in a sentence and the other that receives the action in a sentence. Okay. Okay, the personal pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it and they show who or what does the action in a sentence. Okay, personal pronouns I. Personal pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they show who or what does the action in a sentence. Okay, these are the personal pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, these are the first type of personal pronouns. നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, ആരാണ് ആക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ആ ഒരു ടൈപ്പിൽ വരുന്നതാണ് ദിസ് kind of pronouns, personal pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Okay, then read these pairs of sentence. My name is Adil. I study in Prince Model School. My name is Adil. I study in Prince Model School. Okay, here use I is the personal pronoun. Next sentence. Megha and I are best friends. We play together every evening. Here we. Okay. Next sentence. Sushan, come back here. You must put away your toys. Mihar sang really well. He has a sweet voice. Then next sentence. Aditi read a book. She liked it a lot. Then next sentence. The dog looks angry. It is barking at the stranger. The last sentence. Meera and Sheena went to the garden. They played there for an hour. Okay, in this all sentence, we use the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Okay, here in the sentence used here personal pronouns. Okay, all of you understand what is personal pronouns? First type, yes, who's the action? Just ആരാണ് ആക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അവരെയാണ് നമ്മൾ personal pronounsലെ first type. Okay, next one. The personal pronouns me, us, you, him, her, it and them show who or what receives the action in a sentence. Okay, second personal pronoun. second person pronouns. Who get the receiver? ആരാണോ റിസീവർ, ആർക്കാണോ ആക്ഷൻ്റെ ബെനഫിറ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആരാണോ ആ ആക്ഷൻ റിസീവ് ചെയ്തത് അവരാണ് സെക്കൻഡ് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് പേഴ്സണൽ പ്രൊനൗൺസ്. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ മീ, us. Okay, next type. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These are the second type of personal pronouns. Okay, me, us, you, him, her, it and them. Okay, then mother told me to water the plants. Look at the sentence. Uncle British made us laugh by cracking jokes. The teacher asked you to do this homework, not Nikita. Father scolded him for neglecting his studies. The old man praised her. Here, the book I was talking about, I love it. Please ask them not to make noise. Okay, in the sentence, used the second type of personal pronouns, which are me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Okay, these are the second type of personal pronouns and show who or what receives the action in the sentence. That is second type of personal pronouns. Okay, these are the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns means we use to refer person. Persone ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് persone or place, animal or thing. Okay, then there is two type of personal pronouns. This is one that does the action in a sentence. ആരാണോ ആ ആക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. That's the first type of personal pronouns. Then second type is the other that receive the action. ആർക്കാണ് റിസീവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. That's second type of personal pronouns. Okay. Then next possessive pronouns. Okay, possessive pronouns. All of you listen to possessive pronouns. Page number 25. Possessive pronouns are pronouns we use to show that something belongs to someone. Mine, our, her, yours, his, hers and theirs. Okay, once again I will read the definition of possessive. Possessive pronouns are pronouns we use to show that something belongs to someone. ഒരാളുടെ സ്വന്തമാണെന്ന് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന പ്രോനൗണുകളാണ് എന്ത്? possessive pronouns. Pronouns we use to show something belongs to someone. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു സ്വന്തമാണെന്ന് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന പ്രോനൗണുകളാണ് possessive pronouns. Okay, then here my possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs. Okay, possessive pronouns, these are the possessive pronouns mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs. Okay, read the sentence. All of you listen to the sentence. This ruler is mine. This ruler is mine. This ruler is enjidana. This orange house is ours. The orange house is ഞങ്ങളുടേതാണ്. This is my bag. Where is yours? നിങ്ങളുടേത് എവിടെയെന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. Okay, Farhan has a new bicycle. Look over there. That blue bicycle is his. Take your notebook. Maya took her from me. Those books on the table are theirs. Okay, in this sentence, in this sixth sentence, here used the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns means to show something belonging to someone. ഒരാളുടെ സ്വന്തമാണെന്ന് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന പ്രോനൗണുകളാണ് എന്ത്? Possessive pronoun. In this sixth sentence, here used possessive pronoun. Okay, then first we listen. First we talked about what is pronoun. What is pronoun? Okay, then we discussed the personal pronoun, personal two type of personal pronouns, and then possessive pronouns. Okay, all of you understand? All of you understand? Okay, then next all of you take page number 26. Page number 26. Okay, exercise. Tick the correct option. One has been done for you. First activity, A activity. Exercise A. The tick the correct option. One has been done for you. Okay, this is a wonderful storybook. Ha dash red ha dash. Which is the correct answer? First answer is there, you and it. Okay, then we can discuss second sentence. Don't worry, dash will help dash with your homework. Which option is correct? There is option you and me, and second one I and us. Then last one is I and you. Which answer is correct? Here you read that options. Yes. Which is answer? Yes, last one. I. Don't worry, I will help you with your homework. Okay, also write that here. I and you. Okay, then don't worry, I will help you with homework. Okay, third. Dash owns two houses. Dash are Shimla. Dash on two houses. Dash are in Shimla. Okay, which answer is correct? Here there is three options. They, he. Second, he, we. Then third, he, they. Which answer is correct here? All of you read the sentence. Dash owns two houses. Dash are in Shimla. Yes, last answer. He owns two houses. They are in Shimla. Okay, third answer. He owns two houses and they are in Shimla. Okay, then fourth sentence. Dash love my grandmother. Dash is very kind. Which option is correct? Here, first option is she and I. Second, I and she. Then third, I and he. Okay, which answer is correct? Yes, second option, I and she. I love my grandmother. She is very kind. I love grandmother. She is very kind. Okay, if you write in your textbook this answer. Okay, fifth one. Dash are going to Mrudula's house. Dash was invited Dash to her birthday party. Okay, which are the options? First option, we, she, us. Then second option, we, he, me. And third option, they, she, me. Which is the correct answer? You read the option and sentence. Dash are going to Mrudula's house. Dash has invited Dash to her birthday party. Yes, first one. Very good. Your answer is correct. First one. We are going to Mrudula's house. She has invited us to her birthday party. Okay. Then, sixth sentence. Can dash borrow your umbrella? My umbrella is broken and dash have to get dash repaired. Okay, options. First option you, me, and second option I, each. Then third option it, you. Which is the correct option? You said answer. Can dash borrow your umbrella? My umbrella is broken and dash have to get dash repaired. Which option is correct? Yes, very good. Second option. Can I borrow your umbrella? My umbrella is broken and I have to get it repaired. Then last answer. It. Okay. Then all of you write the answer in your textbook. Answer in your textbook. Okay. B activity. B activity. Underline the pronouns in the sentence. Also, write them in a correct column on the next page. The first one has been done for you. Okay. Here, question is that underline the pronouns in the sentence. Here, 8 sentence here. Then first you underline the pronouns in the sentence. These sentences pronouns underline here. Then next, also write them in a correct columns here. Here is a column, pronoun doing the action, pronoun using the action. Okay. Then first we can done the first activity. Underline the pronoun in the sentence. Okay. First I will read the sentence. First one is already there. I gave you the book last month. Please return it tomorrow. Okay, this is I and you are the it and the pronoun. Then second sentence, we will meet you at the bus stop at 7 o'clock. Okay, then which are the pronoun in the sentence? Yes, we and you. All of you underline the we and you. We and you. We and you. And you. Then second sentence, third sentence. She picked the injured bird and took it inside. Which are the pronouns in the sentence? She and it. She and it. Okay. Then fourth sentence. Pranav gifted her beautiful pens. She loved them. Pranav gifted her beautiful pens. She loved them. Which are the pronouns in sentence? Her, she, them. Okay, her, she, them. Okay, then fifth. He picked up the bag and kept it near the study table. He picked up the bag and kept it near the study table. Which are the pronouns in the sentence? Yes, he and it. Fifth sentence, he and it. Okay, then next, sixth sentence. They have taken the bicycle and are out riding them. Which are the pronouns in the sentence? They and them. They and them. Then seventh sentence. The teacher asked him why he was late to school. Seventh sentence. Him and he. Him and he. Okay, then eighth. I wanted a new watch, so he bought it for me. Okay, eighth sentence. I he, it, and me. Okay, these are the pronouns in this sentence. Second sentence we, you, and third sentence she, it. Fourth sentence her, she, them, and fifth sentence he, it, and sixth sentence they, them, and seventh sentence him, he, and eighth sentence I, he, it, me. Okay, then next question is that also write them in a correct columns on the next page. Here is a column. Okay, here is a column. Pronoun doing the action and pronoun receiving the action. Okay, we already told that two type of personal pronouns. First one is doing action and next is receiving action. Then you write the correct columns. Underline the pronouns write in the correct columns. Okay. Then that is your homework. Okay, you do yourself. Then C activity. All of you listen to C activity. C. Circle the possessive pronoun and underline the nouns they stand for. One has been done for you. Okay, here circle the possessive pronouns in the sentence. Here given 8 sentence. Then circle the possessive pronouns and underline the nouns. Okay, first one is already there. Hemant, is this book yours? Here Hemant is a noun because it's underlined and then yours is possessive pronoun. Okay, next sentence. Hemant said, no, I forgot mine at home. I forgot mine at home. Which is noun here? Which is noun here? Yes. Hemant. Hemant is noun. Then mine is the possessive pronoun because it's circle. Okay. Then third sentence. I borrowed this book from Maya. It's her. I borrowed this book from Maya. It's her. Okay. Here Maya. Let's say the answer. Maya is the noun and hers is the possessive pronoun. Okay. Then fourth sentence. Karan and Arjun have brought theirs from home. Okay, you say the answer. Which one is noun in the sentence? Yes, Karan. Very good. Karan. Karan is the noun and it is pronoun. Sorry, possessive pronoun. Yes, theirs. Circles. Okay, fifth one. Deepa too has brought hers. Deepa too has brought hers. Okay, which one is nouns in sentence? Yes, Deepa. And yes, hers is possessive pronoun. Okay, then sixth sentence. Paul said, even I have brought mine. Paul said, even I have brought mine. Which is nouns in sentence? Yes, Paul. Paul is noun. Then, yes, mine is possessive pronoun. Okay, then Mehul hasn't thought. He said that his was a little tall. Seventh sentence. Mehul hasn't thought. He said that his was a little tall. Okay, which is a noun sentence? Seventh sentence. Yes, Mehul. Mehul. Then it is possessive pronoun sentence. He is. Yes, he is. Okay. Then last sentence. There was some confusion about the two books with the blue covers. Simran and Sujata said these books are ours. Okay, just nouns in sentence, eight sentence. Yes, Simran and Sujata. And which one is possessive pronoun here? Yes, ours. Okay, ours. Interpret. Okay. Then once again, Kemal. Here's underlined words are nouns. Here underlined words are nouns, and circled words are yes possessive pronoun. Okay. Then all of you listen. Today we have discussed pronouns. Then personal pronouns, possessive pronoun. Personal pronouns, two types: does the actions and receiving the actions. Then possessive pronouns. Then we discuss some activity. Then I gave you one homework also. Okay, I hope all of you understand this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, we can meet next class. Thank you.